Okay guys, I'm gonna mix everything and see how it will taste, guys. So this one, you said what is it? Spinach. Oh, I love spinach. Let me keep the spinach here. I'll mix the spinach with what again? Gundruk. The gundruk. Let me mix it. The gundruk is spicy. Wait, I'm gonna mix them all together. This is the mixture of all. Gorkhe khukuri laure kamarma manzito mayale paile na marma manzito mayale paile na marma. Ta-da! Welcome back all. Hello Nepal, Sanche Ononcha, Namaste, peace from Africa guys. Welcome back all. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi and I'm in Nepal and it's gonna be my first time ever to try Nepal Thali or Nepal what?
Thakali cuisine.
Nepal Thakali. Right? This is Nepal Thakali guys. For the first time ever guys. We have a lot of items here. I will show you one by one. They also call it as Nepal National
Dish Dido.
National dish.
Dido.
You see this one? This one made from, it's called Dido. Dido. This is the most famous and national stuff here in Nepal. It's made from the wheat flour. Right?
Buckwheat or millet.
Millet or
Buckwheat.
buckwheat. So we also have here this one, looking crunchy.
Pepper.
Huh?
Pepper.
And this one is
Bitter gourd.
bitter gourd. We have also here fried potato. Yeah, we have a spinach here, and here this is like curd, and here is chicken. This is like chicken one, guys. Chicken thakali. Okay, they also have mutton thakali here. So this is dal, black dal, guys, and they also gave some vegetables here. We have carrots and cucumber. And this, you said, what is the name of this? Gundruk. There is something here called gundruk, guys. Yeah, I can't wait. Just let me.
That is pickle of radish.
Some pickle, guys. So let me just show you the last view, and I can't wait to start testing it, guys. Wow. We African, we love to eat with our hands, so I'm so comfortable with my hand, guys. So I'm so sorry. Should I do it with spoon or with hand? In Nepal, people eat it with
hand.
Okay, since in Nepal people eat it with hand, let's go. We are going with gundruk.
Not gundruk, Guido.
Guido. This is Guido. Sorry, guys. First Guido with the chicken.
5 minutes down.
Okay. Guido with the chicken.
Every day it gets you see, you will see, you will get 50 minutes, right? 15-20 minutes down.
I want to have a little bite of it with the chicken. Guys, actually in Africa we have something similar like this. We call it asida, like it's a Sudanese stuff. They make it same way, but for us we use maida. We use maida and also we use the wheat flour atta. We use wheat flour atta, guys. Exactly like this. For us, how we cook it, we boil water, and we just after boiling the water, we add the flour and mix it until it look like this. Wow. So I want to test the. Why am I forgetting the name Dido, right? Now Dido with the dal. Wait. Let me back to the chicken, guys. Guys, actually with the chicken, it tastes so nice, guys. With the chicken, it's so tasty. Like, it really match the taste. But with the dal, oh my gosh. For me, this dal, it's not that thick, guys. It's not that thick dal. So whenever I try to eat it with this dido, okay, the dal is actually like no much of masala available. They didn't add so much of it, but it's not that salty, not that spicy, but it's fine.
Just mix everything now
Okay?
and eat.
They also mix it?
Yeah, just mix everything little and eat. Like.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it all. No, this one I love to try it alone. This is nice. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix everything and see how it will taste, guys. So this one, you said what is it? Spinach. Oh, I love spinach. Let me keep the spinach here. I'll mix the spinach with what again? Gundruk. The gundruk. Let me mix it. The gundruk is spicy. Wait, I'm gonna mix them all together. This is the mixture of all.
So, what is it? First stage, little fruits on the pie. Second day, little grapes on the pie. Third day, fruits and greens mixed pie. Fourth day, 1 meal, you have a 8 cup rice, the golden on the pie. And fifth day, after that, you have to glass.
The mixture is nice, guys. The mixture is nice, but the only thing is that some items are spicy here. So if you're not big fan of the spicy, don't mix the spicy item. And also most of the item here, they are not spicy, which is nice. And dido with chicken is so perfect, guys. So nice, I love it. And I also love to eat curd. Like curd, they provided. The curd is little sweet also, and you can use also to make the spicy less. Anyway, out of 10, I can give it 9, guys. Really 9. This is solid 9, guys. I love it. So nice. This is the dido thakali. Wow. Nepal, you have very nice. I can't wait to sing for you. Guys, this dido Nepali food is gonna make me to sing for you one song. For real, guys, I love it because now when I eat this, I just feel like I'm eating my country food. For us, we call it asida. You guys call it here dido. Wow, this is so unique. Wait, I'm gonna sing for you guys. I'm gonna sing for you guys. Gorkhe Kore, are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I'll sing for you guys. Gorkhe Kore. Tuhoina pirati sa cha cha. Manabari kalabari machacha gorkhe kori zutuhina pirati sa cha cha manabari kalabari machacha gorkhe kori kaure ka marma manbato mayale paile na marma gorkhe kori laure ka marma Manazito mayale paile na marma. Manazito mayale paile na marma. Woo! Wow, guys, this dido, guys, make me feel at home. This Nepali food, so unique, guys. With all my heart, I feel, yeah, more. This is so nice, guys. I love their fried potato, guys. Okay, thank you. This food made me to sing for you Gorkhe Kore, guys. Make sure to go and check more vlog, guys. I have been to so many places, so many heritage places in Nepal. Bhaktapur, Bhutanat, Swayambhu, and now I am exploring the Nepali food and Tibetan food also. I already ate a lot of Tibetan food. The video are out. Go and check it. Go and check it. And just know, I can't wait to go home and tell my parents that in Nepal also they eat the same. The same. The only difference is they add some oil, which they call it, I don't know what's the name of that oil, I forgot it. Yeah, that oil make it so unique also and so tasty. What's the name of that oil they add it?
Clarified butter, ghee.
Ghee, they add ghee oil.
Ghee in Nepali.
Ghee in Nepali, okay. Wow. So nice, guys. Ramro Desha, Ramroja. Nepal Sundar Rasanta Desho, guys. You want to know that? You want to believe that? Go and check the other vlog, guys. Love from Africa. Make sure to subscribe, share my vlog, guys. I'm in Nepal enjoying the food, the culture, tradition. So amazing place. Love you.